Hey, welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and yes, we are here. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you quickly remove yourself from the insider builds if you want to stay on the October 2018 update, because here it is, the first fast ring build for the next version of Windows, 19H1, released today. Both Skip Ahead and Fast Ring are receiving now the same builds. So if your machine's on Skip Ahead, you are receiving 18252. Fast Ring, we are moving ahead to 19H1, released about an hour ago by Microsoft. So check it out. I am installing 18252 right now. Review coming up later today. We'll see what's new. And we're moving ahead already as the October 2018 update is rolling out. Here we are, already moving to 19H1. Things are moving fast this week. It's just incredible. So, of course, I'm installing it right now. All you have to do is head on to your machine, whether you're a skip ahead or a fast ring build insider. Just check it out. You'll see it appear in your Windows updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and of course, review coming up later today. Check that out.